Hey, this is Jasmine, and this is going to be Nia's impersonation of Miss New York.
Hi, guys. Yeah, alright then.
What's your favorite food?
Oh my favorite food is cucumbers with ranch, I have to eat, That's the good food I eat.
How's your relationship status?
Oh, my relationship status. Okay, it's good right now, but let's go back in the past, Flav didn't pick me, but then he wanted me to come back. And he didn't pick me again, so I knew that for a fact. Fuck Flav. I don't give a fuck. I just had to, just find love for me. So I did my own reality show, and I found love, but he just didn't do it right the first time, so I had to do it again, and I found somebody tailor-made. He's great. He's great.
Now, is it true that your mother runs your life?
My mom, she doesn't run my life. She's just a big part of my life. I mean, if she doesn't like a guy, she will tell you in your face. She's not the fake person. She's the bitch. She's the queen bee. Like me, I'm my mother is me. We love each other. She's by my side all the time. If she doesn't like anybody, she will tell them. My mom is me.
What about all those fights you have on the show?
The fights in the show, because they're for me. These men for me. They want to be here for me. They have their ups and downs, but, if they get out of line, Miss New York will have to do something about it. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah.
Can you, stop moving? You're making me dizzy.
Oh, I have no choice but to move. I'm the queen bee. I'm the bitch. I look fabulous. I am fabulous.
Okay, bye-bye then.